Chia seeds to supercharge their metabolism, weight loss and inflammation fighting like never before. You've probably heard of chia seeds. Salvia hispanica or chia is a flowering plant and it's a member of the mint family Lamaceae. Chia originates from Guatemala and Central and South Mexico. Chia is actually a Mayan word for strength. Well, this amazing and incredible plant was used for centuries in order to boost energy levels, especially for running messengers. This is why some people call chia the Indian running food. Chia has mild and pleasant taste and you can use it in different types of meals and dishes because it doesn't affect the taste too much. You can add chia to your favorite smoothies, sauces, bread, butters, etc. The chia seeds are loaded with healthy nutrients and they can provide many health benefits. Chia seeds health benefits: 2 times more protein than any other seed or grain, 2 times more potassium than bananas, 3 times more antioxidants than blueberries, 3 times more iron than spinach, 5 times more calcium than milk, and boron as well, boron trace mineral that helps transfer calcium in the bones. High amounts of omega-3 and omega-6 essential fatty acids. We can also mention that chia seeds are loaded with soluble fiber and protein and amino acids which are very useful for the digestive process. These seeds are highly hydrophilic, which means that they can absorb water and form a mucilaginous gel. Chia seeds can absorb 9 to 12 times their weight in water very quickly, no longer than 10 minutes. Antioxidants. As we said before, chia seeds are loaded with antioxidants. These seeds can be stored in dry place for 4 to 5 years and they won't lose their odor, taste or nutritional value. These seeds are the best replacement for flaxseed. Weight loss. Did you know that these seeds can displace calories and fat when added to food, but they don't alter the flavor of the meal? So this means that you can still enjoy all your meals, but you will consume just half of the calories that you used to consume before from the same meals. Chia seeds have many other health benefits such as: chia seeds will boost your strength. Chia seeds will speed up the weight loss process. Chia seeds will provide energy. It will help you regulate your blood sugar levels. Chia seeds will improve your digestion. Chia seeds will boost your endurance. This means that chia seeds can help you in many different health conditions such as diabetes, hypoglycemia, reduces cholesterol levels, weight loss/balance, thyroid conditions, acid reflux, celiac disease, IBS. Chia seeds are easy to digest. All you have to do is soak these seeds in water. Your body can digest and absorb them very easy. Absorb and retain water. These seeds can prolong hydration and retain electrolytes. This is very good, especially during the process of excretion. Acid reflux. Here's what you need to do: just add 1 tablespoon of chia seeds in some water and it will absorb the excess acid. Just after 5 minutes you need to drink the cup of water, and because these seeds are hydrophilic they will absorb it from the tissues if they lack water. Versatile taste. As we said, these seeds have mild taste, so they can be a part of many recipes. Just add chia seeds to your salad dressings, smoothies, crackers, juicers, ice creams and cookie mixtures. Cleanse the intestines. These seeds are also very useful in removing the waste deposits in the intestines. Chia seeds also promote regular bowel movements. Regeneration. Chia seeds contain many healthy nutrients and they can provide many health benefits. So because of the many healthy nutrients they will promote fast tissue regeneration, and they are very useful and extremely beneficial in many cases such as during pregnancy and breastfeeding, recovering from injuries. Sugar absorption. Chia seeds promote faster sugar absorption. It's because the chia gel forms a physical barrier between carbohydrates and the digestive enzymes responsible for their breakdown, which means that they speed up the carbs conversion into sugar. Cheap. Chia seeds are not expensive. 1 pound bags cost $8. And 1/3 cup of dry chia seeds 2 ounces makes about 17 ounces of chia gel, which costs about $1. Since these 17 ounces will last around 4 days, their price is about 25 cents daily. Chia seeds, how to use them? Well, you should soak these seeds in water. They will absorb it very quickly. Basic gel. Here's how to make chia gel. You need to add 1/3 cup of chia seeds 2 ounces to 2 cups of hot water. Then you need to pour the mixture in a glass jar, close it and put it in the fridge. You will make around 17 ounces of chia gel. You will make this chia gel in just 10 minutes so you can consume it immediately. But you need to wait for the energy boost and the nutrient power. You will receive it after few hours. This chia gel will last up to 3 weeks. Whole seeds. You can mix chia seeds with whole seeds. Or you can add chia seeds and whole seeds in a coffee grinder and add the grounded powder in your favorite soups or smoothies. Or you can sprinkle from this mixture on your special meals and salads. Or add it to your granola mixes. Add it to drinks. As we mentioned before, chia seeds can absorb high amounts of water. But you should also know that these seeds can also absorb all kinds of juices and liquids. This means that you can add chia seeds to your favorite juices, or you can mix them with some raw fruits and make some fresh smoothie. But as we said, you should wait at least 10 minutes before you drink it. Top 6 Chia Seed Recipe. Basic Chia Gel Recipe. Chia, water, directions. Here's what you need to do. First you need to add 1/3 cup chia seeds in 2 cups of water and mix well. Put the mixture in refrigerator and you can use it whenever you want. Chia Seed Recipe Number 1. Raw Rice Pudding. 4 to 5 tablespoons chia seed, raw honey, or agave syrup to taste, 2 cups almond milk. Directions. Here's what you need to do. You need to soak the chia seeds 10 minutes before use. Then mix all ingredients, and you can also add some cinnamon, vanilla or cardamom to enrich the taste. Chia Seed Recipe Number 2. Banana Nut Bread. 8 tablespoons ground chia, 1/4 cup chopped walnuts, 2 cups vegetable juice pulp, 5 bananas, 1/2 cup raisins. Directions. Here's what you need to do. First you need to mix the bananas and veggie juice pulp in a food processor. Now add the ground chia and mix until you get a homogeneous mixture. Then mix it with raisins and walnuts in a bowl. Make a loaf and add the following mixture on its top. Mix 9 dates, the juice of 1 or 2 lemons, cream cheese and the flesh of 3 avocados. Chia Seed Recipe Number 3. Chia Fresca. 2 teaspoons chia seeds, agave syrup or raw honey to taste, 10 pure water, juice of 1 lemon or lime, bonapaya chia, 4 to 5 tablespoons ground chia, 1 cup papaya flesh, 1 banana, 6 dried Turkish figs. Directions. Here's what you need to do. First you should mix the banana and the papaya flesh and add the figs. You need to leave the mixture to soak during the night. In the morning stir well and add the ground chia seeds. Enjoy! Chia Seed Recipe Number 4. Fruity Chia. 4 to 5 tablespoons chia seeds, 3 small or 2 big apples, 8 dates without the pits, 1/4 cup dry mulberries, chia gel muesli, 1 cup of basic chia gel, 1 tablespoon lucuma powder, 1/4 cup pumpkin seeds, 1/4 cup raisins, 2 bananas mashed with a fork. Directions. Here's what you need to do. Take a fork, mix all the ingredients with it and enjoy. Chia Seed Recipe Number 5. Green Chia. 1/3 cup chia seeds, 1 tablespoon spirulina powder, 8 dried prunes, soaked in 1 pint pure water. Directions. Here's what you need to do. First you should drain the prune soak water and place the chia seeds to soak in it. Combine the spirulina prunes in a small amount of the soak water. Stir well, leave the chia to soak for at least 10 minutes and consume. Chia Seed Recipe Number 6. Persianana Chia. 4 to 5 tablespoons chia seeds, 1 teaspoon maca, handful of pumpkin seeds, 1 to 2 bananas, 1 to 2 persimmons, handful of goji berries, 1 teaspoon cinnamon. Directions. Here's what you need to do. First you need to mix the persimmons and bananas in a small bowl. Then you need to add the maca, cinnamon, gojis, pumpkin seeds and chia seeds. Chia needs to soak for 10 minutes before use. As you can see, these seeds are loaded with many healthy nutrients and they can provide many health benefits. They are cheap and nutritious, so nothing is stopping you from using them. Go to the local health store right now and get some chia seeds. And we already have 6 amazing and delicious chia seed recipes just for you. We really hope you enjoyed this post and please share it with your friends and family. Thank you.